Welcome to Initiant, where we demystify the complex world of technology for beginners. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that affects us all: cybersecurity. With the rise of digital threats, it's vital to arm yourself with knowledge and tools to protect your online presence. Let's explore 10 fundamental cybersecurity tips that everyone should know. Firstly, the cornerstone of cybersecurity is strong and unique passwords. Creating a complex password that blends letters, numbers, and special characters can seem daunting, but it's your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Avoid common pitfalls like using personal information or generic terms. For managing these complex passwords, consider a password manager. This tool not only stores your passwords securely, but also helps in generating strong passwords for you. Next, we delve into the importance of two-factor authentication, 2FA. This extra security layer ensures that even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't easily access your accounts. Whether it's a code sent to your phone or a fingerprint scan, 2FA significantly enhances your account security. Keeping your software up to date is another crucial step. Updates often include critical security patches that protect against vulnerabilities. Ignoring software updates is like leaving your digital door unlocked for attackers. Phishing attempts are becoming increasingly sophisticated, making it essential to beware of phishing. These deceptive emails or messages aim to steal sensitive information. Always scrutinize emails asking for personal information and think twice before clicking on links. When it comes to network security, the advice is clear: use secure networks. Public Wi-Fi is convenient but risky for sensitive transactions. Using a VPN can protect your data by encrypting your internet connection, keeping prying eyes at bay. Backing up your data regularly can be a lifesaver. In the event of a cyber attack, such as ransomware, having a backup means you can restore your information without giving in to ransom demands. Antivirus software plays a critical role in detecting and removing malware. With new threats emerging daily, keeping your antivirus updated is essential for robust protection. Be extremely cautious with downloads. Malware often masquerades as legitimate software. Always verify the source of your downloads to avoid inadvertently installing malicious software. Educating yourself about cybersecurity is an ongoing process. The cyber threat landscape constantly evolves, and staying informed is key to adapting your defenses accordingly. Lastly, protect your personal information judiciously. Think carefully about the information you share online and adjust your social media privacy settings to limit exposure. By embracing these 10 cybersecurity tips, you're taking significant steps towards safeguarding your digital life. Remember, cybersecurity is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing commitment to staying secure in an ever-changing digital landscape. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and you'll navigate the online world with confidence. Thank you for watching this video by Initiant. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech tips and guides.